Welcome back to, this time it's round 2 of the Tamsu doubles. We already bowled qualifying, as you guys saw in one of our most recent videos, and in this video I actually got randomly paired up with the tournament director. Kind of. Matt Tamsu helps run the Tamsu Memorial, which is in honor of his father, I believe. And it's been going on for 20 years, but you qualify and you match up with your equivalent seed. So I qualified into the top 16 as the 5th seed overall, and so did Matt. So I get the lucky draw of bowling with the tournament director, Matt Tamsu. And our first match, because Madison won her first match, we're actually gonna end up bowling her. So let's get into match number 1, and I'll let you guys know the details of how it all plays out as we go. I bowled a regional 2 weeks ago, and I was like, hey, it's best of 3. Push a lot. That's the cells around here. And then never after the first, after that, second month. Alright. Sheesh. A shot. Bang, bang. Shot, Matt. They got a field goal. That was final score 28. Yeah. I'm never gonna hit it. Fuck. That's a good shot. It's looking good. I just know I'm not going to miss the pocket with this ball.
I hate to say it.
Jared,
It hurts me to say it.
Jared Robertson again? So lucky for me and Matt, and not so lucky for Madison and her partner, we just got the better breaks. They bowled really well. They struggled a little bit the first game, but by game 2, when they both figured it out and they both had really good looks, I bowled a really big game, and so did Matt. So it was just going to be a tall task to match up with anyone in the building against us, because we both just bowled really well, got the right breaks at the right time, and managed the lanes well enough to sneak through the first match against Madison. But really good bowling to Madison all weekend, shooting 750 or last 3 to get into the cut, and then bombing them the first match to get through the first match before they met us and came to their eventual downfall. And now next up, we got another tough match against some more local guys, Jared Roberts and his partner, who live in the Omaha area, so they know the lanes much better than I do, but hopefully Matt and I can come out on top of match number 2. There you go. I have a, speaking of urethane from the 80s, I have a asymmetric Phantom.
Oh, that was yours? No, you don't know you go to get like, I always take another twist for sale. I always take a picture every time there's twist. Got 3 twists and 3 different services.
He also 3-6-10 twice. All right. The big white jug, right? Exactly where it is. Golly. Nice shot. Well, Jared throws it hard, obviously, right? Hook. That's some tops. Shot, Matt. But I'll take the move and the good shot rather than. Yo! Nice shot. Hit. All right, Matt, good shot. Yeah, you don't have to. Woo! That was a sweat. Matt struggled out the gate with that origin. I bowled fairly consistently the whole way through, but I had a very good look yet again on this pair with my black hammer, and he ended up switching to his virtual energy blackout and ended up striking a ton, shooting 270, 270 the back two games to win both of those games with ease. And now we are on to the semi-final of this random draw doubles for $5,000. And we're gonna bowl what I've been told is some of the other best bowlers in Omaha. So hopefully, I think if we pull away with this one, we got a really good shot to win. Obviously, we'd be in the final, so we'd have a good shot regardless, but blah, 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 blah. Let's hope Matt can find some more of that game 2 and 3 ball reaction here, game 1. As you saw the crowd reaction, we didn't win. Yeah, I bowled really well, and going into the last game, I had a chance to shoot 270 to put some pressure on the other team, not win, but to put some pressure on, and I just rang a 7-pin first shot in the 10th frame. Really good match for us. Matt struggled and had 180, 180, 180. I bowled well, but just not well enough to give us a chance, and I wish I had bowled with Matt a couple more times previous or knew a little bit more about Matt's game so that way I could offer him a little bit more help. Poor job helping Matt on my end, and the ring 7 ended up costing us. So hopefully I get to bowl with Matt again next year. Hopefully I can come back to this tournament next year. But I appreciate all you guys out there for watching. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see on the side channel next. And maybe if you got some fun video ideas, we'll choose yours and throw them up there. But until then, click that subscribe button because we're chasing 20K. So help us out. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.